Good morning everyone. I'm Shairy, working as assistant professor in PG Department of Computer Science, Arya College, Ludhiana. Today, I will discuss on the topic set and dictionary used in Python. Let's start from the first topic, set. A Python set is a slightly different concept from a list or a tuple. As we know, tuple means a row used in DBMS or any language. Now, what is set? How it is different from another language? A set in Python is just like a mathematical set that does not contain duplicate value and it's unordered. Means we can write in any order. Order does not matter in Python, but keep in remember just we contain only unique value, no duplicate value. However, it is not immutable unlike a tuple. The next thing is syntax of declaring the set. We have to declare the set in the same way used in mathematics in curly braces. First of all, we have given name of a set. In the example, I am using my set is the name of the set, and in this set there are three different values, that is 3, 1 and 2. Now you can check in this example set contain unique value but order does not matter. So this is called set. As we call, it is rearrange the element in an ascending order. Since a set is unordered, there is no way we can use indexing to access or delete its element. Then, to perform operation on it, it provides a list of function and method that are predefined like discard, pop, push to insert and delete the value, clear, remove, and move. Function line, length and max are also applied on the set. Now the next topic is dictionary. Now we have to compare dictionary with the another element. Dictionary is like a list but more in general. In a list, index value is an integer while in dictionary index value can be of another data type. Means there is no restriction like a list you have to use only integer value. Here we can use integer, character and floating point anything. The key will be used as a string. A dictionary is useful data storage that construct for storing and retrieving all key value pair, that is similar to the associative array in PHP. All key value pair, each element is accessed by a unique key. Now let's describe the syntax of key value pair. What is key and value in the given element? We can refer dictionary as a mapping between set of indices that are called keys and set of value. Each key map a value. The association of a key and a value is called key value pair. The syntax is there. MyDict is the name of the dictionary. Here we use n number of values. First k1 contain value 1, k2 contain value 3 up to kn that contain a value n. Let's more elaborate the same concept with the example. Here is an example that is a state diagram of a set having name A that contain a 3 value 1, 2 and 3. This is called key. And 1, 2 and 3 that are in string format ONE, TW, THRW, they are value of their corresponding key. Next topic is how to create dictionary. For creating a dictionary, there is an inbuilt function that is dict, dict. That concept is used for dictionary. It is create a new dictionary with no item. We can say that a dictionary with blank value. This is a built-in function. We can only create dictionary using curly braces. In the given example, D is the name of the dictionary that contain a dict function having no value. When have to print the same variable D, it will display the output but it does not contain any value. Next, we have to perform the different function on the dictionary. First function is creating and traversing dictionary. Traversing means move and visit the each and every element that are given in the dictionary. Now we have to elaborate the given concept using the function. As you know, function is defined using the def keyword. We have written here def. Create dictionary is the name of the function. Then we have example with the name device that contain 4 items in a dictionary. Here 4, 3, 2 and 1, these are the key that already explained in the previous slide. Scanner, printer, mouse and keyboard are the value. As we know, if there is a multiple value, we have to use the loop. So we have used for loop here. For I in device, all the value of device corresponding assigned to the new variable, that name is I. Now we have to print all the value, then call the function. As we know, the name of the function is given here, creating dictionary, and we call with the name of the function only, that is creating dictionary. It display the output. You can check here: scanner, keyboard, printer and mouse. Next example is same, but in previous example we have using key pair value. Key value pair means first we give here key and their corresponding value in the given dictionary. But now the example is different, that does not contain key value pair. It contain a different value in different key with their corresponding name. Same function is used, def create dict. Dictionary is create with the name D. Now we have to assign different value in the dictionary with name D. D1 contain the value C++, D2 contain Java, D3 Python, D4 Pascal. In the same way, we have used the for loop that assign the all value of D into the new variable, that is a I. Now we have to call a new variable, that is I of D. But it will display the value when we call the function. As we know, we will call the function with the function name only, and the function name is create dict. Now we have the dictionary built-in method. First one is dict.clear. It remove all the elements of the dictionary. Next one is dict.copy. It return the copy of dictionary, means assign the one dictionary value to the another dictionary value. Dictionary.get key default is equal to none. For key, return value or default. If the key not in dictionary, then it note that default is none. Dict.item, it return a list of dict, that is key value tuple pair. Dict.key, it return list of dictionary. Dict.set default key, similar to get, but it set dict key is equal to default. Dict.update to update the value. Dict.value to return all the value in the key pair. Dict.pop to remove the value, return list of dictionary that contain key, and similar pop item. Now we have discussed dict.clear method. In dict.clear method, you can say there is a one dictionary, that is name is birthday, that contain 3 different value, Newton, Doin and Turning. When we call birthday, it will display the value as given in the birthday dictionary. But birthday.clear function is used to clear the value. After using this function, when we again call the same dictionary, then it will display nothing. Now you can check the output, that is before clearing dictionary there is a Newton 1642, Dawn 1802, Turning 1912. After use of clear function, the content of birthday and dictionary, their content is none, means we have removed all the value from the given dictionary. Next is dict.copy. First, dict.copy contain the same previous dictionary birthday, but when we copy the all this birthday value to the another variable b2, it will assign the same way as given in the previous dictionary. First of all, we print birthday, it will display Newton, Dawn and Turning with their years. When we copy the same birthday dictionary into another variable, the name is b2. When we call this, it will display the same value. Now you can check, print birthday will display the output Newton drawn and turning with their ear, and when we call the print p2, it will also display the same value as given in birthday, because here we use the copy method that copy the one value to the another. This is the output. You can check before and after, the output is same. Next is get method. Get method is used to get a particular value from the given dictionary. First of all, example is same in all the inbuilt function. When we call print birthday, it will display all the value, but now I have get a particular value from the dictionary. We have get birthday dot get Newton. It will display only the Newton value. Now you can check. First, it contain all the value turning Newton and 1, because we have called the given dictionary. But when I have called only the Newton method, it will display only 1642, because 1642 is the value of the Newton argument that are given in the dictionary method. Now dict.key, in the same way it will display only key. Now you can check in the above dictionary there are three keys. First one is Newton, second is Dorin, third one is turning. Now you can check the output. It will display only the key value. Dict.key method is used to display only the value. Next, similar to the above, it is also used to find the value only. We will replace dict.key with dict.values. There is a dictionary with the name device. If we need to find out only the value, here you can check value is scanner, printer, mouse and keyboard. Here when I have to get the value device.value, it will display the output that are given in the same slide. In the blue word dict.value, it will display scanner, keyboard, mouse and printer. Next, dict.pop. Pop method remove the specific key value from the dictionary. This is the normal function that we already use in another language also, push and pop. Push to insert the value, pop to delete the value. Whenever I am using here device.pop4, then it will remove the for name from the given dictionary. For name contain scanner. When I have used device.pop4, it will display scanner. Again I have display the print device. It does not contain the 4 value. It will show only the 3 value 1, 2 and 3 that contain keyboard, mouse and printer, and remove the 4 value that is scanner. Thank you.